In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a website draft in GoDaddy the right way. Whether you've been testing a design, building a new layout, or simply want to start over from scratch, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to safely remove your draft without affecting your domain. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't accidentally delete something important. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple GoDaddy tutorials. Let's get started. First, you need to log in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Click on Sign In at the top right corner and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account dashboard where you can manage all your products and services. Next, from your account dashboard, click on My Products. This section shows everything connected to your GoDaddy account, including domains and websites. Scroll down until you find your website builder product. When you locate the correct website, click on Edit Website. This will open your website inside the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Now, before deleting your draft, it's important to understand how GoDaddy handles unpublished changes. If you've made edits but haven't published them, those changes exist as a draft version of your website. To remove the draft properly, we're going to unpublish and then reset the site. Inside the website editor, look at the top of the screen. If your website is currently live, you'll see an option called Unpublish. Click on Unpublish. GoDaddy will ask you to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, your website will no longer be visible online, but your domain will remain connected to your account. This step ensures that the live version is taken down before we reset anything. After unpublishing, stay inside the website editor. Go to the top right corner and click on Settings. From the drop-down, choose Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, scroll until you find the option called Reset Website. This is the key step that deletes your website draft completely. Before clicking Reset, consider whether you need a backup. If there's any content you might want later, take a moment to manually copy important text or images. Once you reset, everything will be permanently removed. Now click Reset Website. Confirm the action when prompted. GoDaddy will process the reset, and within moments your website will return to a blank starter template. After completing this process, here's exactly what happens. All pages are deleted. All text and images are removed. Any custom sections you created are erased. Your website becomes a fresh starter site, just like when you first created it. Most importantly, your domain name remains safe and untouched in your account. If you were simply trying to remove an unpublished draft, this method ensures there are no leftover changes sitting in the background. You now have a clean slate to rebuild your site from scratch. And that's it. That's how you delete a website draft in GoDaddy step by step. It's quick, safe, and only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy GoDaddy and website management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.